Hi everybody, Rick Casady with Baird & Warner, Barrington, Illinois, and I'm here in front of 316 Lily Lane in McHenry, Illinois. And behind me I've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bath on a corner lot with many new upgrades that has a partial view of Lily Lake. Let's go inside and check it out. Here we have one of 2 living rooms. This one has 4 windows facing the street. Here's the second living room or entertaining area. And the first bedroom. This house is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, multiple upgrades. It's kept in very good shape. Here we can see the remodeled bathroom. Pretty nicely done bathroom. Here's the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. New flooring throughout, carpets and laminate. This is the other bedroom. Now we're going to check out the utility closet. Washer dryer combo. Now let's run upstairs and check out the second story. Ceilings here are shorter. This is perfect for a play area for kids. There's a little cubbies and cutouts and places to hide. Access to the attic back here. Another little cubby inside of the cubby. New front door, new siding, new entry stairs, many new windows. The roof was recently put on. Another new door. Just 1 block from Lily Lake. Well, that's the end of our property tour at 316 Lily Lane in McHenry, Illinois. If you want to see more property tours like this one, smash the like and subscribe buttons and hit the notification bell. Also, if you want to reach out to me, my links are below in the description.